Welcome to a sunset talk, enjoying nature. I think it's very important to be very intentional about enjoying nature. It's something that can really give you so much in terms of calmness, inspiration. So it's very fundamentally important to take time to enjoy nature. Take time also to appreciate the planet, not just as a landscape, but really as life. As life. It's very deep contemplation, a deep exchange, and you suddenly realize that you're one with it. You're not just observing it, not passing by. So it's very important to take time to go in nature and be one with it, especially if you live in a city with crowds of people or traffic jam and noises. Go in nature and discover your sound, your rhythm, your joy also. It's an act of taking care of yourself. And not just of yourself. Is taking care of life itself. So I want to let you see this panoramic view that I have here. So let's go out. Look at this beauty. Yeah. And not just observe nature, but really, as I said, exchange with it and welcome its colors and exchange with your colors with it. Yeah. Look at these clouds. Want you to see it because they are really beautiful. Look at it. The moon. Yeah. So this is my message with this simple video. And I spoke before in one of my previous video about speaking confidently on YouTube and in life. And now it's about content. What kind of content is life made of? Really, it's something to contemplate on. Which content life and nature and you are made of. It's very important to contemplate the beauty of the perfection of it. And I want to show you these flowers that are next to the street. Look at it. Wow, so beautiful. So majestic. So give, wow, it looks very beautiful. Give yourself always the joy of celebrating, embracing, welcoming beauty in your life. Thank you. Bye bye.